What is going on everyone? Welcome in today's video on how to create a glow effect on your text in CapCut PC. So basically add a white background for now, or if you have a video which are you editing, it's perfectly fine. But for now on, I choose the white background as an example. After that, click on text and select the text you want to add. If you like this text, just click on it and start downloading it and drag it into your timeline. I will change this text to glow effect because we are creating a glow effect. And after that, you can just click on the text and center it to the middle. Make it a little bit bigger if you want to have it bigger on your screen. And after that, you can change the colors. So if you want to change the font or something else, you can simply edit it here. For now, I want to create a glow effect, so I will scroll all the way down to glow, click on that, and now select the glow color. I would like to use a yellow glow color, so I will adjust it to yellow and then all the way to the corner, and now I have created a yellow glow effect around this text. So we are not done yet. If you want to change a little bit of the glow effect, then you can select the text again and go back to glow. There you can find some options about the intensity, so it makes it more bright, or the range. You can adjust the range so it will be bigger or smaller. Just adjust it to your preferences, and now you have created a glow effect on your text in CapCut videos. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would like to see you in the next video. Cheers, cheers!